Hello friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel Tech and Cryptos. Today in this video, let's learn about how to go live in Instagram. So let's get started. At first, let's go to Instagram app. So here it is. Now we need to click on this plus icon in the bottom. So let's tap on this. Now if we scroll, we can see this live option over here. Now what we can do is we can simply tap on this for a while and leave. We can see checking connection over here. Now it's loading. So we are now finally here. So this is all. Now to end this, you can simply click on this cross mark in the top right corner. So let's tap on this and click video. If you want to share it, you can simply click on share, or if you want to discard this, you can click on discard media. So discard this for now. So this is all. So this is how you can go live on Instagram. I hope you liked the video. Please do like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.